This is Steve Builds Tech, and today we're going to build an affordable small form factor PC using the XTIA Xproto Mini RTX chassis. For this build, I've chosen to use practical AMD Ryzen parts, coming in at around $1,400 US. These will make a great base system with clear upgrade paths to the next generation GPUs and Zen 3 processors. But the real focus of this build is the beautiful case and its ability to show off your graphics card as the focal point of your system. Let's get to it. The XTIA Xproto is a 10.5 liter case constructed using 4mm CNC'd aluminum panels formed into a unique butterfly structure. The case is beautiful and will be the perfect centerpiece for showing off next generation NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. Building in the Xproto brings some unique challenges, as is the case in a lot of small form factor chassis. Planning the wire management and installing the majority of your components last is the key to a great build. Surprisingly, the cable management is really good. There is about 14.5mm channel between the front and back panels, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I had no problem managing my cables at all. It's actually better than I thought it would be. To keep things simple for this build, I chose only to use an M.2 SSD. However, within the cable channel, there is room to install two 2.5-inch drives for additional storage. Now for the best part of this case, being able to show off your graphics card. This will be perfect for the upcoming generation of GPUs from AMD and NVIDIA. One thing to note though, if your GPU and motherboard use PCIe 4.0, be sure to configure your BIOS to PCIe 3.0 prior to installing it in the case. The included ADT riser cable is only PCIe 3.0 compatible and will not carry the 4.0 signal. XTIA has not yet committed to including a 4.0 cable at this time. This has caught me off guard at least twice, shame on me. The power supply I went with is the Corsair SF750. It is a fully modular SFX power supply and will run at 0 RPM, which I highly recommend for the Xproto. I should mention that when choosing a power supply, the larger SFXL power supplies will make it much more difficult to run cables in this case. There isn't a lot of clearance for routing the cables with the larger units. XTIA is working on different channel configurations for the Xproto that allow for additional mounting brackets for all-in-one liquid coolers, and even a configuration for a full custom liquid cooling setup. At this time, these are not yet available. I hope you've enjoyed my XTIA Xproto build as much as I do, and look forward to seeing your builds in the future. If interested in all the parts of this PC, I've put a PC part picker link down in the description below for you to check out. I think that'll wrap it up today for this video. This is Steve Builds Tech, and thank you for watching.